What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on this 2025 G90 M5, and we will be installing this MAD mid-pipe and axle back exhaust with valve controller. So the G90s don't come with a valve controller, so we'll be installing one for this muffler. Table is dirty as fuck. Now the problem is figuring out which pipes go.
Yo, he made you turn the music off?
Yeah, bro.
That's a violation, bro. You can't turn the music off in the
Yo,
shop.
man,
Because we like to be in the good vibes, bro. It's too quiet. You gotta turn the music on.
No good vibes when I'm here.
Right
No good vibes when I'm here.
So right now we're installing the mid pipe for these exhausts. We put the two front pipes in, and now a single mid pipe, and now with these two extensions here. So we'll see how this lines up. Yeah, no, you had left. We left early.
I left a little early, yeah, but I still had. Bro, I was there for like 5 hours, bro. I had to start all the cars, go through all that snow. My feet were so cold, bro. I felt like they were gonna fall off.
Honestly, bro, I don't know, I just work here.
Fuck you, bitch.
What about this guy? Yo, what's going on in here?
You gotta get one of these.
What is that?
Water.
That's not water, bro.
It's tea, bro. You don't see this
That's
fucking
water, bro.
tea? You
That
don't
should
see
been there
this
for
string?
like a week.
Ew. This off. So now, before we put the muffler on, I'm gonna run these the wires for the valve controllers. So do that somehow. Spread? I don't spread, I stretch. That's right. No, there's absolutely no way that's happening right now. We're gonna put this reinforcement plate to make sure the exhaust doesn't hit it, make sure there's no rattles and stuff going on with the car. Just by moving the exhaust up, everything basically fell into place the way it's supposed to be. And I was just checking the gaps on between this reinforcement plate, make sure nothing's hitting. So far, everything looks like it's good. The muffler is nice and straight. It's in line with the bushings. I'm just gonna start tightening these clamps down to ensure nothing moves around too much and that'll cause vibrations or rattles. So we'll do that now. Now we're putting the exhaust tips on. I gotta make sure these are nice and straight and level with each other, and they're not cockeyed or left or right and stuff like that. So we're gonna take our time with this to do that properly. now we're going to pull the wires up for the valve controller and start wiring it up. And just like that, it's done. Alright guys, that's it for today. The exhaust is installed on this G90 M5. It's a lot better than it was when it first came in with the stock exhaust. It's a little bit louder. Hopefully the client will be super happy.